Hi folks, this is Nathan with Two Guys in a Ride, and welcome to our walk around video on the 2024 Chevrolet Equinox EV, and this is the RS trim level. Now in terms of the engine, of course this is all electronic, and it has a range of 285 to 319 miles. It has a horsepower rating of 288 and is all-wheel drive. And it has 346 pound-feet of torque and up to 117 city and 19 highway mpge. Now, when we come around the side, we have 21-inch painted alloy wheels wrapped in all-season tires that are 275 40R21s. In terms of dimensions, the height of the vehicle is 64.8 inches, the wheelbase is 116.3 inches, and the length is 191.6 inches. Overall width with mirrors is 84.9 inches, and overall width without mirrors is 76.9 inches. Now, inside in the front headroom is 39.2 inches, front legroom is 41.7 inches, front shoulder room is 58.6 inches, front hip room is 56 inches. It has bucket front seats, an 8-way power driver's seat, height adjustable driver's seat, a driver's seat with power adjustable lumbar, and a 6-way manual passenger seat adjustment. It has multi-level heated driver and passenger seats. Now in the second row, the headroom is 38.5 inches, the legroom is 38.0 inches, and the rear shoulder room is 55.5 inches, and finally the rear hip room is 50.7 inches. It of course has a split folding rear seat back and a folding center armrest. Now, in the rear, the cargo capacity with all seats in place is 26.4 cubic feet. It has a maximum cargo capacity of 57.2 cubic feet with all the seats down. It has a maximum towing capacity of 1,500 pounds. Now, it does include, of course, a 360 camera system, front and rear parking sensors, automatic parking assist, and adaptive cruise control. In terms of the infotainment system, we have a 17.7-inch infotainment display with 6 speakers, USB connections, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, and of course speed-sensitive volume control. The infotainment system also includes Google built in, which will give you Google Maps, a Google Voice Assistant, and access to the Play Store where you can download apps that are compatible with your vehicle. This has a basic warranty of 3 years, 36,000 miles, an EV battery warranty of 8 years, 100,000 miles, a rust warranty of 6 years or 100,000 miles, and road assistance for 5 years or 60,000 miles. This is the 2024 Chevrolet Equinox EV, and again, this is the RS trim level.